Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to be talking about the mods that I've done to my G37X Sedan 2012. So first off, I got the tints. I did 5% all the way around with a 50% on the windshield. The second thing I did was I blacked out my taillights. I have a full custom exhaust, MagnaFlow mufflers, MagnaFlow resignated X pipe, Megan Racing test pipes, and a Megan Racing Y pipe. Then I went ahead and did the D2 coilovers with Infiniti rims and Bridgestone tires. Really nice fitment. Then I did an intake, the K&Ns. Got a good amount of power with them. I also got a custom front lip with splitter rods. Looks really nice. I also blacked out the window trim with vinyl. Really nice look. And then the last thing I did was I blacked everything else out, the grill, the fin right here. And then I also replaced this with LEDs. And I put LEDs in the reverse lights also. I'm going to wait for it to get a little darker later and I'll show you guys. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys the LEDs that I wanted to show you earlier. The backup LEDs. And the license plate LEDs. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe below.